Hi everyone, today we're going to be using Play-Doh. So for this activity, if you have any type of Play-Doh that you buy at the store, you can use that. If you have handmade Play-Doh, you can use that. If you have Model Magic or air dry clay, that's even better because then you can keep it as a finished sculpture piece. If you're using Play-Doh, it's kind of more for practice or for fun. So with your Play-Doh, the first thing you're going to want to do, so we're going to do the pinch pot technique and we're going to make a little cute little teacup. So I'm going to break off a small piece for details or a handle. Okay, so I have a bigger one and a smaller one. Set the smaller one aside. With the big one, you're going to want to make a nice ball. So I'm kind of using my hands like this to make a nice ball. Kind of try to get out some of these little cracks. Right? It'll still be beautiful even if you do have cracks, right? So, the pinch pot technique. We have used this in school before and it's always good practice to keep on practicing with Play-Doh. So you push your thumb in, right? Like that. Almost all the way through, not all the way through. Okay? Now we're going to use the pinching technique to pinch the sides of our little mug. So with your thumb on the inside, you pinch the side of your mug, pinch, turn. Notice how I have the palm of my hand right here to guide and support the bottom of my cup. Pinch, turn. Little by little, it's opening up. And remember, my thumb is on the inside and I'm keeping my hands, my fingers straight up and down. If you start to tilt it like that, it will be a bowl. Which is not really bad. That's another thing you could make right now. Of course, you can make whatever you like with this technique. Okay, so there you have it, a little cup. Now you can push it down on the table. Make sure the base is flat. Push your thumb in there. So at this point, you're just sculpting it. Okay. With the smaller piece, I'm going to make a little coil handle. So I'm going to roll it out. This might even be too much. That's okay. Break off a piece. It's a little long. Okay, now I'm going to put it at the bottom of my cup. And then I'm going to put this on the inside of my cup. And there you have it. Cute little teacup. Of course, you can add detail. So a good way to add detail, if you have markers, they can be like little stamps. So you're pushing gently, and I have my thumb on the inside, so as I push, I'm securing my mug so it doesn't get smushed. Like that. Okay? If you have any other stamping tools, you can experiment with that. Legos are really nice stamping tools. So there you have it, a little cute teacup made from Play-Doh.